What's up everyone? It's Nick with Nexus here with another Fast Fact. In this video we're going to discuss the benefits of a bypass and flush kit and why they should be installed on your next job. So the Nexus bypass kit is going to allow for forward and backward flushing without removal of any strainer screen, flow control cartridge, coil, or any other orifice or piece of equipment that shouldn't be flushed through. It's going to offer complete isolation and protection of all the sensitive equipment that's on the supply and the return. And it's going to allow for full circulation of the system during flushing. So these kits are going to be available 1/2 inch through 2 inch with threaded, sweat, next lock, and next press connection types. You can get these hard pipe from the factory, so we can send this out as a complete package with any coil pack or hose pack. And we can make all the hard pipe connections even with the temperature control valve. So we can ship this to the job site as a complete unit that does offer a convenient plug and play type option. So just like any other Nexus valve, the bypass kits are going to be 100% leak tested before leaving the factory, and they will be shipped to the job site bagged and tagged. So stay tuned next week where we'll talk about the differences between the two different bypass kits that Nexus offers. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks, guys.